Battle for Thuneworld is the first comic book I've ever produced where I've been completely in charge of writing, drawing, inking, and lettering. And I've come to realize something important along the way, that illustrating comics is not just about what you read on the page or how many drawings you have on it. It's about the emotional journey you infuse the reader with every panel. The job of an artist is to translate words into visuals, where every stroke of the brush and pen carries the weight of the story. The Battle for Thuneworld is the story of Horatio Hellpop. He's the one we all know as Nexus. To make it simple for newcomers, I explain Nexus like this. Someone's just killed your entire family. Nobody does anything about it. The worst part is, the cops can't catch him. The FBI can't catch him. As the authorities stumble to catch the man responsible, he becomes faced with a daunting question. Will the murderer escape justice? So, with Nexus and the immense powers given to him by an alien called the Merc, Nexus is now tasked with killing the worst humans in existence, along with many others after him. But if you've never read a Nexus comic before, don't worry. Volume 1, The Coming of Gormondo, is available as well. Now that you know the basic storyline, let's rewind as to how I got here. I started drawing comics in 1981 along with Nexus creator, writer, Mike Barron. As a 24-year-old breaking into comics, I knew this was a path I had to follow, no matter how bumpy the road was, and often still is. Now I continue on my own to create new Nexus stories with the help of Kickstarter and the donations you bring to it. After pouring nearly 5 years into this latest work, I'm happy that the Battle for Thuneworld is finally completed. So make a pledge, and I can get right on the next Nexus installment.